ndine Mama Hellen tubadde ku the 10th coronation eya Kyabazinga era nga it has been one successful event. Twagala agezeko kwebaza abantu omukola agusanza atya ne abantu be Dubai abasanza atya ebimu ku ebyo byenjagala Mama ayogereko nammwe abantu be Dubai.
Ntwala omukisa guno okwebaza abantu baife aba Dubai n'ensi edidiriraine nti olunaku lwa leero tukoze ebyafaayo. Busoga, it has been felt. Busoga has been felt in the UAE and the neighboring countries. We have made a statement. Tukoze statement ya maani bana baba Kyabazinga webale kusiima watusindika eno okwidde okulambula ku baana bo. Maama Kadaga nendo twala omukisa guno okwebaza nti maama yasaswire tiketi ed'abaana bano bakwine muli kubona bona n'abembi baife abembi bali wano bana nga bakulembeirwamu ambassador owa tourism ow'ebitone tulina jobless ali wano Kuldemas Tina. Ntwala omukisa guno okwebaza baana baife ab'e Dubai okusingira ddala baana baife abaana makobo ba vibes okwebaza Baba TV twende okwebaza management nti mwebale kutuwa mutabane waife Musulo yabanga aida yatambula nife olugendo luno. Baba Kyabazinga yasiima yasaba Maama Kadaga aide alambule ku abaana abawangalira eno mu Buwarabu n'okuwulira ebizibu byabwe. Baba bwe yasiima yasindika baba ow'okuliya ni Katikkiro wa Busoga Dr. Muvawala nendo okwebaza Waidye ne ba ministers, Minister wa Education, Minister wa ba Youth, Owekitibwa Nasabu n'Owekitibwa Mukembo, ba Members of Parliament abaidye batuwerekeraku bana mwena mwebale Honorable Agani, Honorable Taylor. Bana omukolo gubaire mulungi. I'd never seen it anywhere. Ntambwire mikolo ejokuliya. We've been to the US, we've been to UK, we've been to Canada. Aye mikolo guno mukolo gwa Dubai gubaire so organized. Abaana baidwire, abaana balire bulungi, bana bambaire bulungi, mugobereire nnono, muntu mwatupiikinze mbitiibwa ife tutubibanga mu kubino nga tujire mu mikolo ejokuliya. Abaana mwatupiikinga mu vibe. I didn't know that Dubai has this kind of vibe, but I'm so excited. Nendo twala omukisa ogundi okobera abantu nti bana Dubai enirira ife tuba Bulaaya, nze mba Bulaaya jentero wangalira olwisi mba Bungereza. Aye, Dubai is clean, Dubai is spacious. Dubai wanene, Dubai wanirira, ate abaana bakola sente, ate abaana bamala badinumirwa sente daabwe. Nendo okwebaza bawala baife bonabona abaidye abaana baife ab'oku TikTok mwebale mukola omulimu mulungi no mwebale promoting Busoga. We have opened a new chapter in the UAE and beyond. Nti n'abali mu nsi edindi, we are coming. We must make sure Busoga shines beyond. Busoga, this is our time. And only time yaife to promote tourism beyond. Nkobeira abantu, the reason why Uganda is called the Pearl of Africa is because when Churchill came to Uganda, he went to Ripon Falls where Sinzira, Yakoba. Indeed, Uganda is the Pearl of Africa because of the Ripon Falls. The Ripon Falls were found in Busoga, in Jinja. We are the source of the Nile. Source of the Nile, Eridinda. We are the biggest tourism revenue income in Uganda. Abantu abasinga abava mu nsi ed'okulya baida. Ate we are the only region that has source of the Nile, which is nearer the airport. Woba olikwida Uganda and you want to go and tour the nearest tourism site is source of the Nile, which is in Jinja. It is 1 hour's drive, kilometer chinana. So we have it all. We have the most handsome mama in Abantu. We have the most handsome, most beautiful and most handsome king and the most educated. So Abasoga, Nabatali Basoga, I invite you all, come and invest in Busoga. Jinja is a tourism destination city. Come and put your money, you never go wrong. Bana from here, tulikuja Encho, tulikuja mu desert, but this evening, tulikuja mu Venom. We are going to enjoy life. So mwide, let's go and enjoy, let's go and spend our money. We have come to spend our money in Dubai. Encho, then we go for desert, safari. Then on Monday there is another program, Oidaba Kovera Vibes. so nenda okwebaza banange betudde nabo okuva e Uganda ba Queen baidi okupromotinga tourism abembi bajja bemberaku aye okusingira irala okwebaza Mama Kadaga who paid the tickets for the delegation that came from Uganda nze navire e Bungereza naatuuka wano when I did you people this place was hot but now I'm used I'll get used so I'm used thank you everyone
okay ebigambo by'omukulu tebabiddamu mwebale kubeera nga mbeerako ku vibes